Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss articles. So, what is an article? Articles are words that define a noun as specific or unspecific. Articles are of two types. One is indefinite article, the other one is definite article. In indefinite article, we have two articles. One is a, the other one is an. And in this tutorial, we are going to discuss only the indefinite articles. But of course, we will first understand what is indefinite and definite article. So considering the usability of indefinite article, so I will be focusing mostly on indefinite article. How we can use the different articles, whether it is indefinite article or definite article. Under indefinite article, we have two articles. One is a, the other one is an. Whereas in definite articles, we have only one article, that is the. So indefinite articles are used with singular nouns. Your noun has to be singular and it has to be countable. Whereas the definite article the will be used whether the noun is singular or plural. Hence, in all kinds of noun we can use the definite article the, but the noun that we are using or the noun that we are using has to be definite or specific. Whereas the indefinite article is used to show a non-specific person or the thing that is singular in number. Whereas the definite article is used to specify people with specific people, place or things, and whether it may be singular or plural, but it has to be specified. The uses of indefinite articles, as you can see, in indefinite article we have two articles or an, as I repeat it again and again so that you can retain it. The word or an is used in English to refer to a person or a thing that is not identified or not specified. We use the indefinite article. Why? To mean that is something not specific, or we can in short say that indefinite is used to show something in general. But when it comes to the usability of two different articles, one is a, the other one is an. So how we can use these two different articles, a or an? A is used before the singular and countable nouns, whereas the same and also is used before the same singular and countable nouns. The nouns has to be singular and it has to be countable. And a is used before the singular countable noun starting with consonant sound, whereas an is used before singular countable noun starting with vowel sound. Here I would like to mention that we use an before the vowel sound, not vowel letters. It has to be kept in mind. Let's take some example. As you say, I saw a star last night. When we say I saw a star, so the star is not specified. At the same time, star starts with s sound and s is a consonant sound. Likewise, she was born in a town. She was born in a town. A town indicates one town. Here a star indicates one star, but that is not specified. A town indicates one town which is specified. and t is a consonant sound. Have you got a pen? So here a pen indicates one pen, whereas pen is a singular noun starting with a consonant sound p. I gave a book to the boy. So here I gave a book. So here book starts with a consonant sound b, and a book indicates a singular noun. Likewise, if we use article on, as we knew, article on is used before vowel sounds. So vowel sounds, there are 20 vowel sounds in singular countable noun. Starting with vowel sound, we will use an. Like, John had an omelette for lunch. An omelette. Omelette starts with o sound. Hence, we used here the article an. We want to buy an umbrella. Umbrella, it starts with the letter U but a. Umbrella, a vowel sound. Hence, we used here an. So here, I saw an elephant. How many elephants? One elephant. So I saw an elephant, it starts with a sound, hence we used an. There was an unhappy boy. How many boys were there? One boy, unhappy boy. Hence we used here the article an. But one thing that we need to keep in mind is that there are few words starting with vowel letters but has consonant sound that takes article a. Like here I have taken an example. A European company. Even though European, it starts with letter U, which is a vowel letter, but it does not provide us a vowel sound. Hence, the word European could be written European. Hence, we will be focusing on the first sound, the starting sound of the word European, y sound. Hence, y is a vowel sound or consonant sound. Of course, it is a consonant sound. Hence, we used here a European. Likewise, a one-day conference. A one-day conference, it starts with w sound. One day. Hence, we used a. At the same time, a university, even though it starts with vowel letter U but has ya sound. When we pronounce it, it produces ya sound. There are few words that starts with a consonant letter but has a vowel sound, like an honest man. So honest man, it starts with o sound, honest man. And FBI agent, when we say F, it starts with a sound. And MLA, the letter M starts with a vowel sound M. So this is how we are going to use our indefinite article a or an. Hope you understood and it will be helpful for you. Thank you. If you liked this, please do consider subscription.